Hi, guess who? Am I scaring you guys? So I said I normally didn't do this when I did this the first time. Well, guess what? I'm doing it again. This is a different one. This is the same brand. It's No.7, but this is the Restore and Renew. I told you I was going to go back and buy some more, and I did. And I believe this has Matrixyl 3000 in it and some other good ingredients, and I am going to list that below. I just put this mask on. Can you see the loops? How it loops? It loops from the neck and then the face over. This one is interesting because on this particular one, it goes all the way down to the neck and on the side here, if you can see, which I think is phenomenal. It's fantastic. The serum feels good. It's holding pretty well as far as feeling secure on my face. And so far, I'm really liking this. Now if they could just do this for the full body, we'd be in business, wouldn't we? Alright, I just wanted to share. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.